So you have purchased a domain, you've purchased hosting, you have assigned your domain to your hosting by changing the name server for the domain. What's next is installing WordPress on your domain, on your hosting account. And this is going to be different depending on the hosting platform you use. This is the control panel of the HostGator system, which is a cPanel based system. And there is an application called, on HostGator you would use the Fantastical application. Now, this will be different depending on your hosting account. You should ask their support what the best way to install WordPress is. In the rare event that your hosting platform does not have an automated WordPress installer, there is a manual method. You just have to Google installing WordPress and it will explain, although it is a bit technical. However, most hosts is going to be very simple, and I'll show you the process for HostGator. Just click on the Fantastical Deluxe. And then on the left sidebar, you're going to pick WordPress. You could install a bunch of other open source applications as well from this interface. And you're going to click on New Installation. And you're going to drop down the domain or the subdomain that you want to install WordPress on. A subdomain is like, subdomain.maindomain.com. So I've created a subdomain called webtest or wptest.warriorcoach.com. It's down here. WPTest1, there it is. Typically, you're going to leave the installing directory blank, or you could put it also in a subdirectory and just put in your username and password. You're going to want to name the site. You're going to want to put in your administrative contact email. Name the site. WordPress Essentials Test Site, and put the description if you want. That comes across as the tagline of the site, and just install WordPress. And it creates all of the PHP files. It initializes the database in those few seconds here, and you can finish installation. And it's going to give you the link to your dashboard and to your main site when it's done. And we're going to pick this up in the next video.